it, trying to pull it and tear it. It's not tearing. Like, what? Wait a minute. Welcome to the channel. This is Tasha. Make sure you stay tuned in to see how I created this customized Dollar Tree coaster with HTV Romp waterproof paper. Okay, here I'm starting off in Canva, and this is the mouse pad that I made in the last video, so I'm just feeding off of that. So what I did was duplicated the whole image, and I'm going to ungroup everything and slide most of the images down to the bottom, just so my coaster can kind of look like my mouse pad. And a quick little backstory: when I first started on this journey, the thought of designing stuff, it used to intimidate me so bad. When I tell you Etsy was my best friend, I would run to Etsy with everything I made. Oh, Etsy was my girl. Oh, let me go get an image. It's only $1. It's only $2. It's only $5. But then I thought, like, what if somebody come to me for something custom? Would I run to Etsy every time? No. So I started making stuff for myself and like the people around me, just adding elements, and so it started getting kind of fun. I'm not the best at it now, but I do create cute stuff like for the people around me and for myself, and now I got the feel of it. Now I still get images off Etsy, but not as many. So here I'm done with my image, and now I'm gonna go ahead and print out the coasters, the stickers for the coasters, and I'm using PDF print, and I'm gonna go ahead and download it. Now my images are downloading. Now I'm on the printing page. Now I'm gonna select my printer, and when you're printing something, always go to more settings and select system dialog. Here you can select whatever paper you're using and the quality of the print. Always print it with best. Trust me when I tell you, because I learned the hard way. Learn from me. Okay, now here's the printed image, and I'm using a sub sticker vinyl paper, and it's supposed to be waterproof, so we're yet to see. This is my first time using it. This is a lint roller. I always use a lint roller when I'm using like paper items. Scissors and my weeder. These are the coasters that I got from Dollar Tree. It comes 2 in a pack for $1.25, and it's ceramic. So I was gonna try to sublimate on it. So I got another one. I may try to sublimate on it to see how it holds sublimation ink. But for now I wanted to use it because I needed me a quick little coaster. So I said, hey, why not try this little vinyl paper that they said is waterproof? Usually when I use paper items, I try to put a laminate sheet on top, or I do the resin thing, the UV resin, to like, you know, make my own waterproof items. So since they said waterproof, let's see some. And y'all, I don't have to look this serious cutting this paper. I told you cutting is like, when I say designing, it's not really my thing. It's starting to be though. Cutting is just literally not my thing. I was gonna pull out my Cricut just to cut this simple circle, but I said, nah, let me go ahead and just go on and cut. But look at me concentrating. This is so funny. That's why I don't usually record myself like doing crafts and doing projects, because the serious look is just diabolical. Okay, so we have the images cut out, and it fits perfectly. It's a 4-inch circle. So I pulled out the big guns. I'm using alcohol. Let's see some. Look at all that alcohol I put on there. I knew better, but look, the ink is not coming off. I'm so scared, but then I'm like, hey, wait. So let's do a little tear proof. You gotta really make a believer out of me. So I take the backing off, and I'm pulling it, trying to pull it and tear it. It's not tearing. Like, what? Wait a minute. This is amazing. I like that. Look, I'm literally amazed. No, in real time, I was really amazed. I've been trying to use this paper for everything now. So I'm pulling the backing off of this one, and I'm going to actually lay this one on the coaster. Got my little squeegee little thing out. Child, look at her. Yeah, I'm so amazed. You can't really tell, but I'm just like, wait a minute. Oh, for real? Yep, I had to be silly and do it again because I need to see before I sip my coffee on her. Because, child, I drink coffee all day. So, no. Look, I'm so happy. Yeah, this paper is the truth. Make sure you go get you some of this. I'm telling you. Yep, I got my little coffee out. Yeah, I'm happy. So if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.